Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hello everyone. So last year we successfully landed our project, and this is how our Brand Geek Club is born, you know. During that time we have raised capital, built a team, and launched new product on retail. Hundreds of bloggers and media has made generous review of our product, so this is why we are back on Kickstarter to launch our new collection called Space O, inspired by NASA and all the other space agencies.
Space O was created for anyone over the age of then 14 with a curious mind who wants to learn new things and meditate while building very special Geek Club models, and especially for space fans. The core materials of all models is printed circuit boards. These conduct electricity. Models are assembled by soldering the circuit boards. You also solder different components and the diodes that will glow. Introducing 5 models of different space agencies. We have studied thousands of official documents and blueprints to create the most historically accurate and real models possible for lovers of space and technology. International Space Station, the biggest creation developed by experts from 15 countries. It is a symbol of unity and innovation. Add solar panels to the ISS that will power it up. Includes flexible PCB, Apollo lunar module, historical and iconic spacecraft that helped us take the first steps on the moon. It comes with the moon rover, which will be driven by a motor that you install. James Webb Space Telescope, the next generation of space telescopes that will let us know the origins of the universe and let us scout the edge of our knowledge. Includes gold-plated PCB, solar orbiter, sun-observing satellite built to scout the sun. Includes solar panels. CubeSat, near-Earth asteroid, NEA Scout, is a cube satellite equipped with a solar sail that NASA developed to chase the tiny asteroid after Artemis 1 launch, and its mission research can save Earth from future asteroids. We have 5 complete sets with tools. You can buy our models separately without tools. The kits contain different electronic components and parts. And most importantly, we provide Lego-style step-by-step instructions. You will also have access to video instructions.
As a reward, we provide very special price and unique stretch goal that is exclusively on Kickstarter. We are very grateful for your support in our mission to inspire the young mind in space and technology.